Welcome back. Say goodbye to blackheads with some by me. 30 Days Miracle Green Tea. Tox Bubble Cleanser. This incredible cleanser is a game changer for removing sebum and blackheads. This incredible cleanser is a game changer for removing sebum and blackheads. The By Blackhead Bubble Cleanser contains 16 tea ingredients, including green tea, centella, bamboo tea, and pine needles. This unique formula is designed to remove blackheads that build up in pores using natural BHA foam, raw green tea leaf, and konjac grains. The addition of green tea water and the patented tannin complex makes pores more elastic, providing an extra benefit for your skin. One of the standout features of this cleanser is its fine BHA foam, which forms automatically when applied to dry skin. When mixed with a small amount of water, it transforms into a creamy foam that gently washes away impurities. Green tea water offers anti-aging benefits and soothes the skin, while centella, bamboo tea, pine needles, raw green tea leaf, and konjac grains help reduce skin irritations, exfoliate gently, and leave the skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. How to use. Apply a thin layer evenly on dry skin and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes until the bubbles form. Rub gently with a small amount of water in a circular motion to cleanse skin impurities. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Final thought. Frankly, this product blew me away. The process is fun and effective. You apply a green gel, it turns into white foam in less than 5 minutes, and then you rinse. My skin felt ultra soft and significantly rid of blackheads. While not all blackheads were completely gone, this cleanser is the most effective one I have tried so far. Overall, the Some by Me 30 Days Miracle Green Tea Tox Bubble Cleanser is a must-try for anyone struggling with blackheads and looking for a gentle, refreshing, and effective skincare solution.